Hi guys, Kuya RG here. In this video, I'll show you how to do the KP glitch. First, you need pet shards. The total depends on how many slots you have, up to 8. You also need a cleansing pet shard to make this glitch successful. You also need a pancake stack to lure your pet to the middle, or wherever you place the pancake. Okay, let's get started. I have here my fried pet shards, and I'll put them on my capybara. If your capybara already has a mutation, that's okay, it will change into the new mutation you put in. Next, get your cleansing pet shard ready and use it on the same pet, but don't confirm yet. Wait until your selected capybara goes to the middle, then confirm it. Glitch successful. Now just repeat the same process for all your pets, and you'll get the glitch working on them too. Now, for the final step. Do the same method on the pet you want to boost. But if it already has a good mutation, I don't recommend doing it, let it roam to keep that good mutation safe. Glitch perfectly executed. Now for the bonus. Even if you change your garden slot, the glitch still works. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.